Hello, welcome to Writing 121. I'm Beth Adlott, your instructor for the course, and I know that most of you are taking it because you're required to, not because you particularly want to. Promise you, though, we'll have fun. We're going to be working on your writing. No textbook to buy at all. We're going to be using the New York Times. You get a free subscription. Thank you to the library. And we'll be looking at articles in the Times. You get to choose the ones that we'll be looking at how the published authors write. We'll be looking at their arguments, and we'll be creating those of our own. Now, this is the middle page, and you'll see a lot of information here. The thing you really need to look at is the syllabus right here, everything you need to know about the course. Might also want to look at the schedule of assignments, the grading rubrics. Everything else this week, I'm just going to get to know you a little bit. So, welcome.